Fine-tuning, adjusting to perfection. Hello learners! Today, we'll dive into an interesting English phrase, fine-tune. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, how to use it in sentences, and its importance in daily conversations. Let's get started. Fine-tune is a verb that means to make small adjustments to something in order to improve its performance or effectiveness. Imagine you have a musical instrument, like a guitar. After playing it for a while, you might need to tweak or adjust the strings a bit to get the perfect sound. That's exactly what fine-tuning is, making little changes to get the best results. Now, let's see how we can incorporate this phrase into our daily conversations. 1. After reviewing my essay, I decided to fine-tune some paragraphs to make my arguments clearer. 2. The chef decided to fine-tune the recipe by adding a pinch more salt. 3. Before launching the product, the team spent weeks fine-tuning its design. Notice how in each case, the phrase is used to depict a slight adjustment or improvement to make something better. Understanding phrases like fine-tune can enhance your English comprehension. It's not just about the literal meaning. It encapsulates the idea of constant improvement and the drive to achieve perfection in tasks or projects. By incorporating such phrases, you can make your conversations richer and more nuanced. That wraps up our discussion on fine-tune. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's also about expressing ideas, emotions, and nuances. By understanding and using phrases like fine-tune, you're one step closer to mastering the English language. Hope this video has been helpful. Keep learning, and see you next time.